Welcome to Position Automation, your trusted partner in advanced manufacturing solutions. Introducing our latest innovation, the welding robot for metal parts for conveyor systems. Moreover, our integrated ERP system monitors the process. Our process begins with the delivery of components using a vibratory conveyor system. Our welding robot ensures precise and efficient production of components that are integral to the construction of heat-resistant metal conveyor belts, essential for oven operations in food processing plants. Following the welding process, our automated system seamlessly transfers the components to the next stage. We've optimized every aspect of the production process to deliver consistent quality in these critical components. Position Automation is dedicated to providing high-quality solutions that meet industry standards. Choose Position Automation for elevated manufacturing efficiency.